ngibona aso une 2.9 million.
Andizenzanga. Hayi yonke abangabaqalula.
Uzoya kuya Bluid.
Noma ndikhabile maye izingozi yami.
Mangakhombisa lapha la khona manje masikhuluma so. Ngeke uthembe ukuthi ukulala umuntu ngoba and then ulala phansi. Then une problem na mathambo wakhe.
Emva kwesikhathi ndiva Dr. Olithi semakhaya kanjani lo muntu usuke eNorthwest wasona Olithi la eJoburg wamsa eNorthwest manje umthatha from Northwest to Eastern Cape engamlethanga la njengoba isisho ukuthi ibag yakhe empahla igcine ihamba netwin la kuthi my uncle uthe make siye emakhanda athi uncle ngicela uhambe nalezi impahla because kuyafana akanambhatho zochintsha uLithi emakhaya lo manje umthatha uhamsela yena manje ngifona ngicaka bamifuni
kuthiwa sayina ndisayina nto hayi kuthiwa usayina apha ndisayina ntoni ndingashopha phandle bona benyuke baye ngaphakathi yokuphuma iphepha ukuthi andisayina ndinto le ndisayina ndive ntoni.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I am overjoyed to have you as part of this amazing show once again. I'm really just so proud to see you back because we've been together on other episodes. I'm not sure how long you stayed there, but I hope that you were present to engage and, keep in contact with the community. If you want to find yourself sitting here, don't hesitate to drop us a DM or contact us on the number that we're showcasing on the screen. Alternatively, we'd really love to connect with you. So please do drop a message, do drop a comment at the bottom. Just there in that section where other people are talking, go there and leave a message of inspiration, encouragement, or advice to the guests who have, been so brave to come through to our platform. Guys, we are spotlighting you. If you have been commenting, we're showcasing your handles at the bottom, obviously taking it from the previous episodes as we proceed. But we just like to thank you for your support, your love, the fact that you're liking, sharing, and engaging means a lot to us. Guys, without wasting any time, we're going to jump into today's story. So the setup for today is different because we've got two guests in the studio. Let me just jump into it and let's start with this whole thing. Sanbonan. Ninjani.
Siyaphila ninjani.
Sikhona sibonge nje ukuthi nithathe ithuba lenu nabona ukuthi nifuna ukuthi nizohlala nathi namhlanje sibe singene endabeni yenu. Mhlambe singaqala kumama ngibuza ukuthi umama umambani wakuphi.
Igama lam elasekhaya eluke ID Ndinomakhosazana Jemina Nombula.
Okay.
Ndihlala Eastern Cape, Estersprite.
Okay. Ngibona uhamba ubhuti ngizothi ubani?
Ndiyabulela lapho nomkhulu. Igama lami ngusithembele.
Okay.
WakwaNombula ifani njengoba sekeshile ngumama wami.
Okay.
Ikhaya lise-Eastern Cape, yes.
Siyabonga.
Kwidolophu yase-Estersprite.
Okay. So you even namanje you guys are still based in Eastern Cape?
Yes, but okwamanje mina ndila eJoburg, so yena uze la eJoburg ngale ndaba yakhe esize ngayo la.
Okay.
Because kunenkinga esinazo.
Okay. Usually mengakangeni kakhulu odabeni I love to just engage our guests so that they can tell us a little bit more ukuthi bona bakhula njani bakhulela kuphi and so on. Mhlambe ungasicakisela bhuti ukuthi la nibuya khona indawo enjani nanokuthi ningaki nishiya bobani ekhaya njengoba senizithola la.
Okay. Njengoba senishilo ukuthi ikhaya lise-Eastern Cape, so yeah, sikhulele e-Eastern Cape, sihlala nayo mama nomama wakhe which is umakhulu wami. Namanje usekhona, namanje usesemakhaya, so the first born ekhaya. Umama waye wanthola 1995.
Okay.
Sorry. So kunomunye oza emuva kwami ungumfana naye. Oka 2000 then intombazana ilast born ika 2006.
Okay.
So sikhula nesi 3.
Ni 3.
Yes, si.
Okay. la indawo nje la nikhulela khona indawo enjani? How would you describe it and how it also impacted you?
Sibuya kuma rural areas straight emakhaya
Okay.
so yeah
ezilalini
akho sedolophini yakusemakhaya
ewalasa
so sikhula nje yeah kwindawo enjalo.
Okay. Okay. No, siyabonga. Maybe without ukuthi sichithi ixesha kakhulu because selihambile vele.
Yeah.
Asingena odabeni lwa namhlanje. Maybe let's get into it. Siqale ngomama sibuza ukuthi mama indaba yokuthi nibe nila namhlanje yini enibeka la namhlanje?
indaba endibeke apha indaba yokulimala kwami umama wayetshayiswe yi-ambulance imoto ngondandimsa sibhedlele ngoku i-ambulance yalimaza mna saye eMonti ndahlaliswa kwinyanga ndiyakhola I don't know ngumntana onokwazi ndandingekho right ndabuya ke ubuya kwam bandisa komnye igqwetha ukuthiwa ngumehlo makhulu ndabhaliswa kuye samani sisiya ke sisiya wade wabhubha umehlo amakhulu andisamazi wabhubha nini simani sisiya kwangena omnye ke kwakuthiwa ngubani mazi ngumlungu naye azange enze nto sahlala kodwa kwakhona omnye usiso owayethi ngugqirha saya kuye kugqirha apha elalini ayingowaselalini kodwa wathi ngugqirha saya wabuza uba kwenzeka ntoni hayi sachasa uba ndafumana i-accident kwi-ambulance ndisisa umama kwagqirha eMonti wathi hayi ke angayinceda loo nto uba siyavuma angasincedisa hayi ke ingabi nanto savuma nathi sazinto sahamba saya kwamehlo amakhulu emane sizame andazi kori besokuphuma imali kwango-2024 2022 afike ebusuku ndilele I think ngo-12 ndithi yinto ungubani wathi hayi ndimsisi ndithi intoni ebusuku hayi ikhona into endifuna siyilungise ndithi ebusuku apha hayi kaloku ndivela emsebenzini ngondenzela uba ndizokwazi uphindela emsebenzini uthi ungugqirha yena hayi ke nam ndavuka ndilele nabantwana andicinganga nto mna hayi ke sahamba ndithi ngosiyaphi hayi sepolice station kuyakwenziwani hayi uzawubona hayi sahamba ihamba nomnye umfana kahlala naye okuthiwa ngumzima andazi hayi ke sahamba asiyanga kumama shiya abantwana belela hayi sahamba masifika epolice station wathetha ke loo nto akayithetha yesizele mna ndazi nto kwabuza sisi uyamazi lo mntu ndithi ndiyamazi ngumntu omane anceda ngoba bemane ndithathe ndwelisela ngapha uthi ndiyokwenza affidavit eyantoni hayi ndifuna uyosetyenzwa ngapha ngowakweli cala lebrorho kulaa macala ngapha ngapha ke ntwana eBloemfontein I think
eBloemhof
abheke hayi ke ndahamba kwenziwa koso ndiklabuzela polisi yesisi uthi lo mntu akanayitya imali akumthembile mna ndihoyanga ndithi hayi ngumntu oncedayo hayi ke ingabi nanto ndasayina ke kwenziwa loo affidavit sasike sahamba bondibeke apha kwam bahamba ke bagoduka mani befika ke ngozonsuku uba mani bezondithatha bendisa kumagqwethawa kaloku lo mlungu andilanda uba ngengubani mna ndihamba njani bazi abantu hayi ke saye mani kuthethwe zonto umane usayiswa nobusana andisiva nesi silungu ncam hayi ke ndisaya phinde sigoduka amane ndigodusa phinde njalo kwelinye ixesha athumele imali or mna athi ndifuna imali ndiqabelwe bazandifumana eBloemfontein hayi ndiyibaleke nyhani imali ndihamba ndodwa ndihambe mandifika ndifowuni ke eBloemfontein hayi ndim lo hayi beze bazondithatha mali kusenziwa kwelinye ixesha basithathe nomama ngoba nomama wayetshayiswe yimoto eyakhe ke yanyamalala unaphakade imali zange ndayibona hayi ke ingabi nanto ke leyo yena emali yahamba nomntana ngoma ndikhala ndithwana uhamba nomntana wakho wena awufuni mna ndibe nomati kutheni athi hayi kaloku nawe zokube nomamakho ndithi hawu umama wazi intoni efana nam iqhagwaza nalazi intoni ngoba nina nikhumsha nobabili yinto enjani leyo hayi phelela andanoba sagqiba kwela saya kweli komnye umlungu kwakhona wathi mandifika pha ze uba kuyabuza uba ndiyintoni naye ze ndithi mna ndingusisi wakhe hayi ndavuma ke nangoba mna ndicinganga uba kwenzekani ndithi okanye uzamele uba izinto zilunge hayi yanjalo ke nyani kwabuzwa uyintoni nawe lo ndithi waphendula yena ngokwakhe kaloku English ndiyamva suba ndive English xa kunzima ukuyithetha kwixesha hayi ngusisi wam is my sister khumsha oh hayi ke ingabi nanto andicinganga mna ndazinto hayi ndingabehoyi sahlala sawumane ndigoduse buyisa ngenye imini kwakunini ngobe ndikwakho
last year last year 2023
esaya wazondilanda apha eRhawutini kumntanam lo ndilapha ndithi yintoni ngoku hayi uyafunwa kaloku wayephangela ubhuti lo kunalantikazi intombi isisi lohlala nayo inkosikazi le yakhe nomntanam omnye lokugqibela hayi ke ndihlambe nyhani ndilungise ndithi hayi masiyeni kusithembelo siyomxelela angabonisi ndingekho kwampahla ndiyishiyile hayi ingabi nanto sambe ke nyhani ngoku yolanda usithambe mane jikela intombi endaba imane fowuna ndabona ucaphukela niba siyoxelela umntana lo wam hayi ingabi nanto amane jikela yofowuni abuye hayi ke ahlala athi izinto ngoku ziyalunga bayavela ndithi bezawuthini bengaveli kanti ndikuye umntu kuya ngangaxelelwa njani nyani bayavela ndithi bayasebenza kaloku ngoku umntana ngaye kumsebenzi kanti ufumene ayilotyala uba wena uncedisa andisucelile uba sincede ayilotyala ngokaloku makakhona unomntanam ayikubuza uthatha ityala uzomamelisela uba kuthiwani ngabelungu sori uba ndisho utata omhlophe khona angavi kabuhlungu hayi ke atsho make suka apha andigoduse straight andakaliphindi sapha eRhawutini ndithi intoni ngoku impahla hayi goduka ndizayokulanda phaa kwakho ndithi impahla hayi bawuye bazibuye nazo loo mini bebuya hayi uyawuthi ungenanto umntana womntu ulandwa ngemoto yomntu ugoduswa kangemoto kodwa kuyapha kwakuyeyam imali ndandigqiba peya ke nyani ndayithatha yonke saqabela sonke ndakhe masiqabeleni sonke hayi ke sahamba wangodusa empela kuthiwa yintoni empela kuthiwa yintukhumshana kuloo nyaka lo epheleni kwawo kwafika umnakwethu olithwini lam weza sekephethe impahla hayi usithambele uthe mandibese ndisiza nezi mpahla ngoba awubonakali ngoba ndamfona ndithi hayi sendisekhaya umamdawini uthe mandize straight apha undigodusele apha uthe impahla zawuphinde zize nabantwana nxa bebuyayo ndathi hayi ke ayabi nanto waphinde wabuya sibhijiji ndithi yintoni hayi ndizokulanda ndithi yintoni hayi elagqwetha litho lo mntana wakho ufowuna njalo ndithi thina angafowuni efuna uva inkqubo ithini fanele ngeva na ngoku uthi makuthiwe hayi seke ndithatha ngoku undizisa pha eJoburg kwamanye amagqwetha lapha angabantu abamnyama ke wona ndindodwa mna yena uhamba nomntana wakhe hayi kwandingena kathethwa zonto ngoba buza uba ndizambhatala malini batsho bona ngokwabo 50-50 ndathula skepsel mna ndinabani bakhwaza bobabini nomntana wakho omnye uphaa omnye ungala 50-50 or bathi andiyali 50-50 ngesabo abantwana bazama ingathi bayaqriba ngoba babethe kufuneka baye kwam bayobona bakunjani bazokwazi bakwakhiwe mna ke ndagoduka nyani ndigadwe kuze la magqwetha ke azojonga uba kwam kunjani hayi ndahlala ukusuka ndabona sokufika omnye umfana ehamba nomntanana omnyama nje mna ndisagadela amagqwetha lapha eJoburg ngoba bebethe bazaza bazobona athi ihamba nomnye umntanana bafikele ekhaya bafikelanga kwam kumama ngoba buze kummelwane ba ubani bani niyamazi wachazwa ke ummelwane ba wathi hayi nako kokwabo hayi wangena ke nyani ihamba nomntana baphethe ilist yabantwana amagama abantwana bam ndithi nibathatha phi ke abantwana bathi hayi sivele eHome Affairs ndithi niyathini hayi besifuna ubona uba awunabantwana na kutheni le nto lo mamdawini nguye ohamba phambili awunabantwana ndibajonga uyabazi ndithi hayi ndiyabazi ngulo naba babini abasekhaya nomnye wewele lam usimam ke ndithi hayi ndiyabazi ndithi hayi umama ede ngcola umama bengabafuni uthi hayi mani ngina abantu singabazi apha ngabantu abathi hayi wade waxola umama wathi ufuna ifemeli lomfana ibe khona la ndithi hayi umntanam usemsebenzini lokhoyo unkwenkwe le ezemva kobhudulo ndithi usemsebenzini lomnye bengekho naye semsebenzini le Kapa hayi ke kuvele umntaka malume vele emsebenzini esikolweni umama chamkhwazi angene nyanga athi hayi khazo mameli sisapha ngibona umuntu endingamazi into amzodwa amashiya hayi ke angene achaza uba uze kanjani aphunga ubani lwaphi uze kanjani uze nge-Olopronichesa eBloemfontein waqabela imoto ke hamba ibuzisa hayi ke yangathi siyavisisa wangqina ke naye lo mntana wakamalume uba hayi kunje ndilimele kanye ngehlobo ngumamdawini umuntu emane esifika apha esinceda wathi ngosifuna uqonda abantu ngoba uphethe nefotokopi ubuza uba ngubani lo uyamazi lo ndithi uthi ungubani ndudangwe uthanda imazi ngumamdawini lo Esther Mutawu igama lakhe cha nanoba sisibongo le nto kamamdawini ngoba thina sithi ungumamdawini hayi ke ingabi nanto athi lona ndithi hayi ucaba ndizibona ndim kaloku le uthandibona yebantu hayi ndiyabona umama ebukhala athi hayi ndifunga ophezulu ufunga ngaloo language yabo ndithunyiwe mna andizokwenza ubutsotsi hayi ingabi nanto hayi side simamkele hayi imali yakho ikhona ade andibonisa iphepha nantsi imali yakho ndibuze kamama iphi athi hayi ke endingayazi kagogo ndize ngawe apha ndithi athi hayi ndawuphinde ndibuye ke nomntu ondithumile hayi ke hlala bade bafika abantwana bama baseKapa uAlizwe noSimamkele bafike bafika sebesazi baye ekhaya nyani hayi bathethe loo ndithi akukho kwam apha natya kwam masiyeni kwam niyobona uba kunjani hayi bamane ndifikele ekhaya yani kwam qobo hayi ke kwayiwa nyani manje beshuta hayi bashuta nangaphandle nangaphakathi yonke loo nto iyavakala washuta kuthiwa ngubani lo mfana
Joke
hayi
Lebogang
uLebogang manje shuta besithi bazokwakha noba bokhanga bazathumela imali bakwakhiwe ndithi hayi ke nyani kwanjalo bade bahamba beqoba izindlu zabantu ufuna indlu enjani hayi abakhona umntana kamomzala wam ndithi hayi babonisa indlu kabani uthi ndifune njalo uViolet Mashiya naye wafika hayi watsho wahamba nababonisa bathi bafuna ifoundation uAlizwe wayekhona wathi uzabathumelela uAlizwe ngokuthi wayithumela
quotation not foundation
loo nto sizazi kaloku zonto iquotation hayi ke sachaza uba ndifuna ubani ozakwakha babesebenza kwenye indawo nomntanam lo yinkwenkwe hayi ke uAlizwe watsho wayenza loo quotation wathumela ngoma bafowunela bathi zange alizwe athumele ikoteshi ngoba mandibuzo alizwe uthe bayaphosisa ndayithumela kwangaloo mini askisi ndayenza ikoteshi hayi ke ingabi nanto ndahlala wade umntanam usithembelo londi kuyi wandibiza wathi hayi mama khawuze ndithi intoni wade hayi khawuze ke sizobona le nto eyale mali ibihamba njani hayi ke ndafika nyani bathumela imali ndeza bayondilanda apha eJoburg ngoba bona bahlala ePrinces hayi ke bazifika bandilanda sahlala ndafowuna banika inamba fowuni zalo mntu onemali ndithi nizithatha phi bathi hayi siyayibona apha efowunini ifowuni imali ibikubani before ndisiza bangafowunela uMamDawini angena ifowuni ibe kwenzekani ndifowunele lo tata akahlala nalo mfana adala kekho andinabungqina nobukhona rutha andikho ngoku ekhona ithi hayi iyadlaka ke ngoku le apha bethe kuqala ngosasuke ePitoli ewe imali akho ikhona kodwa uzongaxeleli mntu hayi ndathuka ngoba ngentliziyo phofu awunawuthetha nje kaloku uthatha ugodu make noshiyathi ugodu kuyahamba njani hayi ndathula ungalinga uxelela abantu hayi ndathula nyani ndithi ilihle bona le nto ngentliziyo anditsho kuye hayi ndathula skepsel hayi wangodu ugqibela kwakundithatha kungoseke thatha umama safika pha babuza labuze lagqwethe uba ndizambhatala malini uMamDawini ndithi yeyi waqala wabuza uba ngandiyile kwakho ndizawubhatalwa ndiye njani ndithi uyile awuyanga into endifuna yimali qha eyokuba ndiyenzeni iphuma kum kalo ndim umntu olimele ngoku yinto lethi xa bafuneka manza kwenza into funeka mazawunika imali ndiyazi uba ndiyazisa abantu uba ndiyokwenza into ethile ngophi umntu oyenzayo loo nto hayi bathula nyani makukhona umama babuza uba ndizawubhatala malini baqala babuze laqhuthi uyamnaba abantu andithi uyakwazi ubhala ndithi wanika iphepha wanika ibhala wakha ubabhala hayi ndababhala ndamnika yho hayi uyakwazi ndithi ubuceba ngikwazi na yibantu ndifundile ka ungabonile nto uba ndinje hayi kingabi nanto ekuseni sayolala kwamamini matshona solala kwantombi ulapha eJozi naye ekuseni sabuya kwakhona kweli gqwetha asisangeni nomama kunyuka intombi nonina ngoba ziziteps benyuka baya kolo magqwetha wabo ayobakethwani andiyazi ungangena entweni ushiye umnikazi into ngaphandle hayi ndaphuma emotweni skepsele ndama phandle ndade ndenyuka ndaye etoilet ndaphinde ndehla ndahlala apha phandle akwabi nanto awona bakuthiwani bam kuloo ndawo abakuyo or bathini or babhala amaphepha uba ndisayine into engeyiyo andiyazi. Hayi nyhani xa ufika abantwana ababili bephuma khona phaa phezulu behlika bephethe iphepha kuthiwa sayina ndithi ndisayina ntoni hayi kuthiwa usayina apha ndisayina ntoni ndingashwapha phandle bona benyuke baye ngaphakathi yokuphuma iphepha ukuthi andisayini ndinto le ndisayinayo ndive ntoni hayi bangaphendula abantwana ndasayina sikepsele ngoba andinanto esandleni umama usemotweni hayi ndasayina ndithi hayi kodwa le andiyithembi ushiwe phandle bona benyuke kuyothetha ubuye nephepha sokuthasana usayina ntoni uve ntoni hayi ndasayina kodwa ndinomlomo apha ndithetha hayi ndasayina sikepsele athatha bajika abantwana balisa wagqibela ndibangafowuna akafumaneki ndibangathini akathini lade lafika olo gqwetha ngelo xesha elifika ngalo nalo lajonga bade benze nto bajonga njengamehlo akho nto nangoku akabikho nto phaa wada wancama umntana luba hayi ngawuze mama ke sizoyizama phaa le nto hayi ke sayifika banika inumber phone zalo onemali ndafowuna ebusuku ndilele ndifathiwa nguwe lo nemali yam wabuza kutsho bani ndithi ndivile uyigcinele imali yam wathi hayi andanobukhona mna ububizwe ngubani apha eRhawutini sowulapho nje ndithi bufuna ndingezi bandixelela abantwana uba ilaphi imali kuwe hayi ke wangathi uyathamba watsho wathi masidibane wandizazi endawo bawutonika abantwana wayengekho lo khawuthethe mntana saquqalo kwakhe nca iro mandikhomba lwa ngoba iro
Okay.
kwakungusisi lwaye khona utata wayephangele hayi ke satsho saye hayi bethethe nayo lo bani utshawuke khona nomnye kuthiwa ngwasePitoli andimazi wathi hayi imali ikhona qha kufuneka ube nomntu siyabona ingathi izawutyiwa le mali ngoba umamdawini naye uthi 50-50 thina sala le nto ka-50-50 ndithi awu ngofuneka ndide ndife ukuze izophuma le mali into adala kangaka yintoni le nto ecingisile abalimele mva elalini yam bayazifumana imali le yam yetheni ndihlekwa ngabantu mna kuthi hayi bo lokunini walimali akakabi nento ebonakalayo obani jonga botyhile benze ntoni le yam yetheni hayi izawuphuma nobufila kawunikwa abantwana ndithi kufuneka ndide ndife na kaloku mayizokusingaye nguye yawubona uba wenzani andithi ndim usingaye ndakhe ndenze zonke imfanelo uba ishekile nditsho ndobohlulela abantwana bam ndiyifeke ngoku le funeka hayi ndichanemelenga nakhona uba awufoni mna ufana mna amanyele kude kufonela sisi ayena kuvunywa ndithi kutheni kunjalo nivisa ubuhlungu mosa isibhanqa ndim ndiyazelapha imali ayifanelanga mna le mali esisibhanqisi ndijongeka ndingaphahlanga kaloku bona inikwa abantu abaphilile
ngiyakuzwa mamzo ngicela ukuyisa emuva kancane mhlawumbe bhuti uzosisiza kwezinye indawo back to the beginning kulesigameko esenza ikameni limala bekwenzakalani because ngiyeza ukuthi ugogo bekelimele naye ngicela ungichazisele ukuthi kwenzakaleni kugogo mhlawumbe wena ulithola kanjani lo daba la kagogo ungichazele nje ngalelo langa la kulimala khona ugogo
bengayiphendula bhuti omkhulu
ngawume kancinci umama wayeye emngcwabeni
okay
mina ndibheke etawuni ndizavuka ndibuya apha eRhawutini bendisebenza eRhawutini ndandiyePasikeni ndizavuka ndibuya apha emsebenzini ngoku uNomgidi kunomngcwabe elalini wayemngcwabeni makebuye emngcwabeni kasisi wam kuNomgidi wayemgidini umakebuya mna ndisivelele etawuni makebuya wajilwa yimoto
okay
wathunyana lo wam weza wazochaza uba ye ugogo utshayisiwe ndizavuka ndihamba mna hayi ndakhathisa nam ndibeke ndivene into zam endivele uzithenga imiphako ndabaleka sayokumama sayombona akudanga kakhulu
okay
sokutshona ilanga nje andithi
so manje imoto imshayisile from then on wanga esibhedlela uye ekhaya
no
saya naye esibhedlela ndisathetha kaloku
okay
hayi ke kuneshop lapha kufutshane sacela imoto apha eshop uba mayisa umama nam ndaqabela uba ndisumama kwagqirha
okay
masifika kwagqirha uyagqithisa umama wasiwe eMonti kulapho ke ngoku kwalimala mna khona eMonti
okay kusho ukuthi iambulance izomthatha
yalimaza mna
okay yarola naye
yarola okay
washiya umama apha kwabalekiswa mna ndiva bese ndandisandifile ndiyabona kwabalekiswa mna ngoba busuku ndiva kutshiwo xa ndibalisa ihistory hayi ke yafika iambulance yathatha umama yamgqithisa yona yamsa kule ndawo ebeya kuyo mna ndasoka isibhedlele esikufutshane hayi ke ndahlala apho ndiva kutshiwa ngoba kuthiwa ndandirongo ebubhetereni bam ndasiwa le kumama eMonti ndagqithiselwa khona hayi esibhedlele esinye kwenye indawo kumama mani kuthiwa hayi nanku umama akho kwathini ndaphinde ndagqithi kodwa kwakuthiwa kwafika unyana umntakwethu lam lisuka apha eRhawutini laya straight esibhedlele luyobona mna nomama hayi ke mna ndiyazi kuthiwa wafika kwabuza kuthiwa ndathi mna ngumyeni wam ngoku engumntakwethu hayi ke ayabi laa nto hayi ke kwamandi kwanjani ndade ndagqithiswa
okay
ndasoka kwesinye isibhedlele mane ndihamba itreatment khona ke
okay
ukuyeka kwam loo treatment yaphinde yandiphethula kwakhona iambulance ndatsho ndathi stop kunoba ndichole esitratweni ndifile mandiyosela kwam endlini ayizange ndaphinde ndaye ikliniki bendibamba apha emizini ntoni ilokhali apha ezilalini ndimane ndisiya khona toti nangoni ndisayihamba nangoni mane ndihamba kwalapha
Okay, no ngiyayilandelela mamza ukuthi uzofika because ngibengifuna ukuthi ababukeli ba understand ukuthi kahle kahle ukuzofike la khona ngokwesimo somzimba kufike kanjani kodwa sengiyavisisa manje. And then asiqhubekeni ke ngifuna ukuthi ngilandelelise kahle ukuthi indaba kaMamDawini asicacise. Ngifuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi nihlangana naye kanjani uMamDawini from the point la ngihlangana khona.
Kaloku uMamDawini ebengudokta bekethu ngudokta ukuze ukumazi kwethu ayingomuntu ophelalini.
Okay.
Ngokula macala
Northwest.
eNorthwest wayeyengudokta hayi ke saya nathi uba sifuna impilo nomama nabanye ke abantu.
Okay.
Asho wabuza uba kwenzekani hayi sachaza wathi hayi anganceda ngoba simane sine-phone number zakhe simane sifowunelana naye nezithi emane ndibiza mjembe esusile kwelaa gqwetha eyizise ngapha yona imali kuthe yaphumelele siyile kwarafu kodwa hayi imali yaphumela kwamehlo makhulu ndiyabona iphuma nje imali ngexesha yonthatha yatsho yajika yabuyela kulaa macala. I think that I do not know.
So uMamDawini beniya kuye niyohlola niyombona for ama checkups or kanjani?
Hayi uMamDawini ebendibiza uba endisa kodwa
Okay.
apha emagqwetheni.
Oh.
Ebendibizela amagqwetha engumntu oncedayo emagqwetheni. Hayi endinyanga ebendihambisa kule le mali.
So uMamDawini niya kuye or uye ozakini first time mhlangana?
Nguye ozayo
Okay.
okanye uba uzile akanye enze loo nto ngoba emane ndihambisa kulaa macala le ndingakabi nemali nomama akhuphe bancedisana sithathe siza ndizazi mna or ngoogqirha abale or kusemonti andiyazi into ezinjalo. Imane sihambisa
Eish.
ngoku
indaba yenu how long nilokuni kuyo?
From 2011. Accident was in 2011.
2011.
Yes, Easter weekend. Njengoba besikishilo ukuthi kuyi weekend.
It's a long time. 2026.
So imali yazi yaphuma 2022. So from that 2022 since kuyile process from one attorney to another attorney. Asazi ukuthi sikhiphani ngemali yakho mama.
So men check ama records walapha eRAF. Are you able to access them to see ukuthi kahle kahle kuthiwa kwenzakaleni?
eRAF bathi abayingeni because imali yaphuma.
Okay.
Yaphuma la kule attorney le akakhuluma ngayo
amehlo
makhulu. So le attorney lena yayashona.
Oh.
Yes, so lo mama lona is like a touter. Nguye osiza abantu ukuthi athathe lo muntu amsenga lawyer.
Okay.
Yeah, so futhi yena une percentage ayitholayo from ama attorney now. Yes. So why action ngamehlo makhulu waye wathatha uLedu wamsa kule lawyer le bathi uLeroux.
Okay.
Yeah, yomlungu yase Eastern Cape. So ilawyer khona ukuthi iterminate andazi ukuthi kwakwenzeke kanjani ukuthi bavugcina beyiterminate. Kunguye lo mama akakhuluma ngaye lo wayehamba naye. Nguye lo muntu wayehamba naye kulama lawyer. So wayiterminate from kula Leroux.
So
To uSukumani nguye lo beke seBlumhof.
okay.
Yes.
So iterminate
ngulo mama. Yes. Eyileta kulwa. Andithi nguye wazila amathina kahamba ukuthi umthathalani umsakubo. Mina ndiyithola ise Blumhof kulo bathi nguSukumani.
Okay.
Manifika kuSukumani lemini esithi baye bagcine sebeyolanda emsebenzini because yena wafika special without ukuthi asifonele ukuthi uzolanda umama yena wavele wazifikele should wave kuthiwa umama use-Joburg yena zange sibe nayo ne-contact nangefoni nakayi-1
yo
lo mama enganandaba ukuthi uLetu unabantwana that is if unayo brother wakhe mara yena wayerepresenta as usisi wakhe then ifamily ayazi lonto leyo
sure
bona babona i-opportunity then ngiba uyibona situation ngawuLetu njani nangesikhathi esiya ekhaya wabona ukuthi ngumagogo naye so bekengazi ukuthi maybe kune brother yakho kanye kunabanye abantwana like abasamwe so wena wabona opportunity ukuthi vele la
so wavela wafika nje eJoburg in the middle of nowhere angatshelanga
from Northwest years wafika ene abohlala khona thina hlala uNesquare game so andazi ukuthi wafika kanjani because nama address akhona so address ukuthi ungayitracer ukuthi kuthiwa uhlala house number wathi lapho ngafika mara futhi ukhona umuntu aside mara inside the family wamtshela ukuthi lo muntu uhlala endaweni so mara noba ngakaziveze mara wena uyazazi apha khona ukuthi ubani mara mama wafika khona yena usisi lo nihlala naye noLetu ne young sister yami so yena nguye waforced ukuthi no oLetu asoza ahambe A1 ukuya eBloemhof kule ndawo othi wena umsakuyo because asimazi nguye wazi ukuthi into engizibuzana ukuthi why labantu bezomfuna make la because ngobe eSouthern Cape khange bamfuna manje ula uLetu sekufuneka mama kaye eBloemhof so nguye wafostela ukuthi no makiwe bensebenze Westgate Mall ayikho kude nalapho hlala khona then bawokha bafika mina ndiyamangala futhi ndiyafuna officeini kanjani man feel okay right uLetu khona naye that's told story then i-supervisor that no man shies just ukuthi nibe khona kuLetu makusenzeka lezini because uLetu even a paperwork benganikwa i-paperwork wrong Brian because akanikwa opportunity ukuthi makafunde noba ngafunda yini uzoyiqala ngapi bokufuneka umuntu ozomassista so lo muntu bekehamba naye E1 kuzo zonke lezi ndawo lezi engahluphi nokuthi afonele ifamily ukuthi okay manje uzomlanda ngimsendaweni so kwenzeka kanjani isingeke informed sonke ifamily yena bekesazi ukuthi wenzani
so ngibuza umama ethi lo mamdawini umlandile
umlande kwami
yes apho ngihlala khona la yakhona kwakubuyisela ekhaya
yes yabona lapho kwabonisa ukuthi there is something eyenzakalayo because nje manje nisemsebenzini ufikile nomamdawini khona wamthatha mara ngebhadi ke lagcina ndihambile nami eBloemhof yena la endleleni wenza into ezistrain because uyafona nakamefoni ifoni yakho kumele kumiwe at a distance ukuthi singeze ukuthi kuthwani mara ke i-call yakhe
sure
uyafona okay ina stress safika salala emzini wakhe because kumele siye following day kule ndawo yakhona yena uhlala bathini Vosmara start kanye yini bayibiza ngevolisi yes eNorthwest mara ama-office akhona seBloemhof okay sharp sigibele kuseni to Bloemhof masifika sifika yes simthwalele attorney yakhona bathi ngisukumana Brian ndikutshela ukuthi zange nifike nase officeini yakhona mina manifika le lawyer yakhona yanibuza ukuthi wena ungubani ndithi no ndingumuntu osona so kumama wami lo ndikhaphena kanjani ngathi no we are not allowed ukuthi ube la because wena sikwazi umuntu esimaziyo ngulo mama which is umamntawu naye uLetu understand ndazama ukufastanya ndabona ukuthi even na light skin izitulo ezilapha ziyi2 which means isitulo sakhe nesikaULetu so mina shoot nasithi anika le form ekhombisayo ukuthi imali kamama isuka kuphi ifike imalini kuye like imalini you understand all in all andibheke le form le ndicela icopy then banike nyani icopy yakho baphume lapha ya masiphuma umamntawu ngathi no kukhona apho kumele baye khona oruthe bakuthema babuye kusasa namara ikhona into kayikhuluma mina ngikhona ukulala obunye ubusuku eNorthwest so kumele ngibuyele umuve eJoburg because kusasa mina emsebenzini yes okay ngigibele ndibuya so following day should wavuka wathatha uLetu phela uLetu akazi ukuthi uswabi yena nguye wazi ukuthi okay manje ngithatha la nemsa indawo nesona so yena bekejabulele nje ukuthi unomuntu akamsizayo you understand emva kwamalanga mina ngifuna okay not emva kwamalanga following day shothi umse namhlanje kule ndawo kamsekuyo kusasa okay shukuthi kwafunwa i-ID
okay
so wayikhohlwe i-ID ekhaya so usisi waye wamthatha wamsa eHome Affairs ayokwenza i-ID so eHome Affairs bathi no kumele kwamanje uzothola i-temporal yes so nje ngibabe siye eNorthwest kule volisi yakhe kaMamtawu wayihamba ne-temporal shuthi lapha emsekhona following day la temporal bengasebenzi bafuna original ID
okay
kulapho wafola khona uma wakhe umagogo without ukuthi ndazi mina futhi nalapha apha emthathe khona umthathe kumi ufola uMaGriz ukuthi wamfakela imali ukuthi makabuye from Eastern Cape to Northwest wamfakela imali ukuthi aze ne-ID kaULetu wabathatha wabasa kule ndawo singayazi namanje yazwa ngabe indawo yakhona uLetu ngiyakutshela ukuthi wayeye kuphi lapho ya
sure
emva kwesikhathi ndiva kuthiwa uLetu semakhaya kanjani lo muntu usuke eNorthwest wazalwa noULetu la eJoburg wamsa eNorthwest manje umthatha from Northwest to Eastern Cape engamlethanga la njengoba isisho ukuthi ibag yakhe empahla igcine ihamba netwin lakhe uthi my uncle uthe make siye emakhanda athi uncle ngicela uhambe nalezi impahla because kuyafana akanambhatho zochintsha lethi emakhaya lo mama umthatha wamsela yena manje umfona mncaka bamifuni
sure
yena wayebheke opportunity la kulo mama ekugcineni ukuba kuthi kufikelele lapho kufika abochawuke besithi bathunyelwe from i-masters Eastern Cape ukuthi kunalo mama abambonayo because uterminator from this attorney to that attorney if ever andazi ukuthi yini beyisenza ukuthi maka terminate kahle kahle because ugcine i-terminator nakuye uSukman
okay so maybe mthola ukuthi maybe kunomjikajika ongakho right
so kahle kahle makebona ukuthi kuna something uya terminator yena uyahamba so kufika lo bathu bani uchawuka esithi uthunyiwe from i-master high court kanye yini anzazi kahle izinto zakhona ukuthi kunalo mama ovelayo njengoba isithi wamvezela bathini icopy ngoba uyamazi lo muntu lo wathi noba thunywe i-master ukuthi okay ubambonisa lo mama lo ukuthi uyamazi lo muntu wathi yes uyamazi bathi no lo muntu lona ufuna udla imali yakho kanje nakasho ukuthi bona bazom-assista ngokuthi kukhitshwe abantu bona njengoba bethunyelwe i-high court yibo bazomsiza ukuthi bagcine beyithola imali yakhe so manje Brian mina ndazi next ngelo so mina manje ngikhipha amakhono manje amakhono akhona bebangahambi kahle ndagcina senifuna ubhuti lo
okay
yena at least nguye umuntu owaziyo ngelo nguye ogcine seke senza zonke inzame ukuthi abone ukuthi kwenzakalani nguye ogcine seke fumana ukuthi labantu bagcine besebenzisa ne-medical record i3 years 3 years or yes something like that and bokumele basebenzise 3 months andazi into ezinjalo lezi and then claim yakhona ngathi khange ifike high court wathi mara ezinye izinto zokhulunywa nguye njengoba size naye la bendimphathele into ezifana nezi ukuthi azokwazi ukucacisa kwezinye izinto engazokhona ukufika because zihlanganisene nomthetho yezi andazi next ngelona so kuhlangahlangene nje bhuti wami kuningi kakhulu
but officially le mali vele iphumile
imali iphumile 2022
ukhona umuntu oyitholile le
iphuma kule atheni bathi ngumehlo makhulu mara unfortunately ashona yaya kuli Rooks even amanje uli Rooks naye usene 500 and something thousand akayibambile from iside lakhe ingathi beke ibambele ukuthi uzoinvest Ibrahim that is on it iningi lento le kuna le case yalama athini abambe imali kaWoledi kusephinde kube khona nala mali ekulali Rooks la 500 and something thousand ekuye singazi ukuthi kahle kathi kwenzakalani because umnikazi wemali akatholi lex mara kunemali
ehlukene
you understand
ihlukene yaya kwezandle eningi sure
manje ukuze sithole imali because uLethi uphila ngodangi ezinye izinto akazitholi kahle yabona namphela sisibhani ezinye izinto akazitholi kahle ukuze sithole imali kumele sihlupheke sizame ukuthi senza kanjani mara ngapha imali ikhona imali yakhe
sure
yes ngoku kulonyaka before Pasika wanthatha wandisa kwadokta abodokta babelunga babili bayocheck uba ndinjani hayi ke benza bacheck kodwa hayi ndiphilile andinanix ngondithi ndinike kaloku imali noba yi-50,000 ndokwenza ingxatya ngoba andiyale nto enibambela imali yam le ngaka ndokwenza ingxaki zabantwana bam nomzi wam uyawapha wathi ayinawukwazi ukuphuma i-50,000 ndithi ngoba ufuneka mana ndiyicela le mali ize kubanika ndi ayizikumnobi bingakanani ndizazibonela mna ndinayifemeli mos andithi nayiza ndibonisa uba yenze hlobo ngoku yobona ngabantu angabazi nobazi uve sokuthiwa iphelile waze lapho ubunyani baloo nto
sure were you able to trace lo mama uMamDawini
no lo mama lona ngohlobo wakhuluma ngalo lama atheni la aphethe imali kaWoledi manje bakhuluma ngohlobo lokuthi sekekhitshiwe yena out kule mali so sekuyibo ba take over bona laba ba appointwe yi high court ukuthi bakhiphe lo mama kahle kahle because andithi lento beyikhuluma ukuthi beke claim ukuthi athole 50-50 kule mali kaWoledi so usho ukuthi bona babone lonto leyo ukuthi lo muntu lona ufuna ukwenza something kule mali kamama then bagcina bemcancel but nale ngeke sithi because labantu bayazana lapha you understand
okanye bathengene
so into besifuna thina ukuthi balungise nje le ndaba kaWoledi ukuthi uLethi ufuna nje imali yakhe you understand because ngohlobo yenza ngalo Brian ayimnandanga
Yeah.
at all.
andinamzi ngoku kanye uyile nangoku ndandisebenza uba ndiza kwakhe.
Sure.
And enye into endingayi-understand because sike sazama last ukuthi okay yini abantu abane-assex le mali besicela at least sibone i-statement ukuthi le mali isaphelele. Even today asikasitholi i-statement.
Sure.
Sama sikhuluma nale atheni le bathi umrakile wathi statement from last year before December uzosprint la FNB so kuze wagcina kuphela unyaka ophelile lo waphela singayitholanga statement sakhona this year kwavala kwangu December this year ngiyamkhumbuza January nje yamasikhohlwanga uxolo nje ngalomagama but umkhulu asikhohlwanga nje ngalesi statement wathi no uzosprint so lo munye bathi uchawu wathi no i-statement angeke sikhona ukuphuma because le mali akusiyimali yomuntu oyi-1 imali yabantu abaningi ihlangene endaweni eyi-1 so angeke kukhona ukuba makuphuma i-statement sikamama siyi-1 ndithi kanti lo muntu lona andinayo i-atheni why yena beke ngakhulumanga from the start ukuthi i-statement le mali ihlangene nabantu abaninzi so angeke khona because yena uthoza sprint wena ukhuluma lokhu lo ukhuluma leyo so ithola kuphi iproof ukuthi le mali isaphelele lapha ikhona.
So wayingaki la law firm lawa esidila nawo manje?
Ngumrakile i-1. Yes.
I-1.
Yes.
Okay. Then ule Rooks yena?
Ule Rooks ngulo abamterminator nethi.
Okay.
Yes. Mara kusekhona na 500 and something lapha kuye ule Rooks.
Niyakhuluma naye lo ulo munye umrakile.
It's difficult Brian even nama voice record sometimes masikhuluma naye umuntu ongawaphenduli thola ukuthi awabluthini wabluthika nahlale njalo nama calls like into nje angeke uyi-understand Grootman. Njengomuntu like akalihluphi ngokufuna ukuthi okay makafone as update ukuthi kwenzakalani yithi kumele sihluphe ngaye ene uthola ukuthi akabambi ifoni isikhathi sakhona. Lana akunanto elungayo la yazi ukuthi ugcine sekehamba namasonto manje because unethemba lokuthi make efike esontweni sekehamba amasonto ayidu utshintsha kuleli aye kuleli ya ukuthi at least manje ngaye esontweni maybe nginebhad or something I don't know yena nguhlaba kazifila ngalo ukuthi why from 2011 2026 manje lo muntu uphila ngebhini every day bro yabo lo mlenje nje mbamba so asikwazi nomsedoktini asikhona somsa ngephi imali banjwe ngayo pain from 2011 up until today umuntu ephelakhala ngamapini every udla amapisi epini lethu
yo
lento ayikhulumayo ukuthi wagcina seke sithi akafuna ukubuyela kulela sibedlela into bisenzeka after 3 months athi beke collector i-treatment yakhe kuma local clinics so after 3 months bekumele abuyele to emakhiwane sisile makhe lapho ay-admit khona after i-accident uhlala 6 months ubuya ku 6 months in coma lo muntu 6 months because walimala April at May June July August September ubuya month end September to October engakhuluma engenzi next then waba paralyzed la side bengakhona ukuhamba the marekamini wesikhathi nalapha bengabambi kahle so wayewa even esibhedlela sithi prime blame naso because naso ngicabanga ukuthi saye saba serious because kuwe ambulance uyacabanga ngayo because yena wayilekelela uma wakhe because wakufunika assistance because yamshayisa imoto mara yamphula nje umlendo zange alimali nakhona kwakuyi hit and run na icase yakhe asiyazi ukuthi yaphela sithema siyoyifanda out from eraf bathi iclaim yakhona ingene late ndingazi noba into enjalo yenzeka na bathi iclaim yakhona yangena late so zange bayi receive in time receive in time ile yakhe so ekamagriza yona yahamba kanjalo nomoya so andazi kahle kahle ukuthi nowali ibhati lasekhaya noba kwenzakalana I don't know.
Mangabe kunomuntu obukele manje mhlawumbe from your side olunjani usizo nilidingayo directly?
But omkhulu even manje bekisa tracer bathu bani uDingani sidinga umuntu ongathi unamandla kakhulu kwinto zomthetho but omkhulu hayi into esidinga yileyo ukuze sigcine silungele kule mali sithe masiya sesibuya naseMoja Love ema-office unakhona
okay
so masifika lapha bathi no abadili ngama cases we-rough
okay
mara umuntu ongasi-assista ngulo andithi naye uDingana khona ngulo oyipresenter kula show yemamazala wathiwa yes basinika ama-contact but mara bathi angeke sikhona bakhona ukukhuluma naye because lana udila ngemamazala mara uyadila ngalezi matters ze-rough aside just if mara khange sigcine simthole asigcinanga samtholo so usizo mina ndithi singalicela kubabukele umuntu onepower yini esicelayo nje le ukuthi ongasisiza because asina power ukuthi asina mali ukuthi singa afford ama lawyer angeke sawubhatala ngephi mali so into besicela nje ukuthi umuntu onepower ongakhona usisiza asilekelele kule matter kauledi ukuthi at least sikhona ukuapproacha labantu bayenze because brother thina asazi next you understand sazi focal
no at least manje niyakhona ukutrace ukuthi into ekhona iya kuphi what sort of paperwork do you have okwamanje?
Amafile akhona.
Okay,
akhona
no, ithi ngicabanga ukuthi in consideration of isikhathi vele ngoba isikhathi sesishayile nyana bengicela ushiftele ubhuti simamukele azosihambisa ke ngendaba yama documents.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. To welcome ubhuti siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi you made time ukuthi uzosicacisela ngale ndaba kaMama ukuthi nomuntu mhlawumbe omunye ubukile ongathi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi kwenzakalani akhona ukuzwisisa. Mhlawumbe let's start with your introduction ukuthi wena ubhuti ubani and how do you relate to ifamily.
Okay, mina igama nguShayi Sibongo Rawurani.
Okay.
And then ngimsiza lo bhuti uthathe umzukulu.
Okay. Okay. Maybe in that perspective, can you maybe show us ukuthi as a person who has been assisting umndeni with this case, what have you seen from your perspective?
Lento le ngize ngayibona ngithe mabangitshela le story ngazwa ukuthi asi make sense ngoba mina ngiyazi lento le yelo somewhere somehow.
Okay.
Ngazwa ukuthi ay make sense ngahamba ngaya master's office master for high court. Ilapho ezinto zakhona ngoba kube kungene lento le bathi kune curator ad litem mela appointwe.
Okay.
So mina ngaya masters of high court mangifika masters of high court ngibakhombisa le application ngithethe high court ngabakhombisa ukuthi nayi application ize yafika lana na lo muntu wase high court wase master of high court athi cha azange bayithole lento le. And then mascheka nama medical record le abasebenzayo then ilayo 2016 2017 and then all in all kune le section ngize ngayifunda ngithi wenza ama research nyana then ngiyenze research ngathola ukuthi section 57 le bakhuluma ngayo azange bayilandele tu and then nalo kule application abayiyenzileyo then basebenze nama affidavit alo mama bathi umama Mtaun after bathwele ukuthi umama Mtaun wakhona asusestere wa lo mama.
Okay.
So bona baze bayenza ngazi ukuthi bayenze kanjani ngoba mama si try ukuthi sibe ne appointment naye then uzafika lapho Westgate.
Okay.
Mall akafuni siza eofficeini mele sihlangane naye lapha emall.
Ubani Mama Mtaun?
Umrakile the attorney.
Okay.
Then siyabuza ukuthi uyenze kanjani ngoba nama interview nomndeni azange uyenze. And then utholile ukuthi no lento le ibeyenzwa ngomama Mtaun then asenqiniso mara wena uze wachubeka wasebenzisa le affidavit ukuthi uthole le curator ad litem. Okay fine. Sathola ukuthi kunjalo bayitholile ngalendlela bayithole ngakhona and then azazi ukuthi sithole bani masiya ku lawyer uzofuna imali and then umama kana mali and then ayikho mali sazama sathola ukuthi ayikho inyendlela mele simlinde and then this application was granted a court order was granted last year February, meaning now kune the whole month in between azange le curator ad litem ibuye ize iyenze a follow up interviews namndeni ngoba manje bazi ukuthi lo mama unebantwana. Actually bazile from the beginning but they did ukuthi bayithathe ba ignore this thing ukuthi unabantwana just because of according to mina ukuthi baze baye le kumama bebafuna ukubona ukuthi kunebani azokubaphazamisa kule phela imali lento le mani ngibona aso une 2.9 million mangakhombisa lapha la khona manje masikhuluma so ngeke uthemba ukuthi ukulala umuntu ngoba and then ulala phansi then une problem na mathambo wakhe but umuntu uphethe imali masimbuza ukuthi why angithi manje kune curator ad litem mele curator ad litem ahambise izinto ukuthi ziyenza kwenzakalani umaster ukuthi umaster as appoint a curator bonus or whatever so lento le abayenzi it's for a year ngize ngazitry ukufonela amanye amaloya ukuthi maybe bangasebenza ngelento le bayibiza i-contingency fee but amaloya akafuni leyo afuna imali phambili
Okay.
bathi bona abasebenzi ngalohlobo basebenza ngalohlobo mabasebenza i-rough matter manje le asi-rough matter ngitshela even if angithi kule bathi malokhu stand or whatever then usebenzise i-address ye-rough but the matter ku-rough already ibephelile since 2022
So generally, we are establishing ukuthi there's a lot of fraudulent activities that have taken place. But for another person who's watching this and they are trying to follow up on their rough matter as well, what's the process according to your understanding? I've just had an accident. We have established that I've been injured, like umama. What is supposed to happen after that happens?
No, wazini mina nginelwazi lokuncane and then whereby after ngiyazi ukuthi if i-rough ize yakunikeza imali yakho kusho ukuthi wena no rough nihlukene
Okay.
anisena anything which is like a connection yeah so the only connection which you have then ile yakuthi ilawyer kunikeza imali yakho.
Okay.
So umama uzayithola ize yaphuma 2022 unfortunately the lawyer who was handling the matter passed away before amnikeza imali yakhe. LPC ize yathatha lento le imali leyo then kulapho kungena amamtawuna za terminate.
Okay.
But this matter already siyise ku LPC siloje i-complaint ku LPC but LPC i-problem yayo is just that I think somehow lawyers are safe when sibayisa ku LPC just because of they take time ukuthi basi resolve that matter. There is no agency in any matter. Any matter bayithatha nje like ziyafana. Ngoba mina ngibe ngibafonela ngithi manje bhekana lo mama una undertaking is that thing oyithola ku RAF ukuthi angaya noma ku any doctor concerning injuries zemoto bona bazobhadala back but yena mele aqale akhiphe imali yakhe esikhwameni
Then she claims, yeah.
and then she claims but she can't
Because when the money gets paid out, it's gonna go back to izoza kuye, or does it go back to
no iza kuye.
Okay.
And then ngele undertaking unayo uyiphethe mara ngeke isebenze ngoba akanamali ukuthi aqale aye doctoreni uya doctoreni first and then from there mele athole a receipt from the doctor I claim back from RAF. So umama ngathi wasokola lo mama and then mina ngiyenza ngiyenqiziyo kuba ngiyamzwela ukuthi lo muntu wasokola ngize ngayibona ukuthi like bona bazi ukuthi noma wengaya kuphi uzangitshela mina ngathi kuye ngathi umfana ngathi sorry ukuthi umfana ngathi mfana mina ngizoya noma ukuphi ukuthi umama athole imali yakhe ngoba baze baya le bashutha indlu yakhe mangayibona ine crack lezi zinto zasemakhaya ze nithini nibaziyenze ukuthi inye at least kube kumele amakhele indlu amwenzele amanzi kube ne toilet yasendlini then at least kube something whereby uzokwazi ukuphila ngaphakathi nempompo yemanzi ngoba angeke athwale amanzi from a distance just because of lo muntu ulimele but yena manje ngiyamtshela no nginama WhatsApp ngize ngamthumela wona ngimkhombisa ukuthi wena manje iDecember uyodla kamnandi uhamba nabantwana bakho le mali ube umele uyifake ku trust yalo mama azange ayifake ku trust lo mama ngoba uba ufuna ukuthi i trust yakhe yase company ibe nema interest pay ingena ama interest kube kumele ingena ku lo mama and then mayithola le mali from the other attorney uze amtshela ukuthi ngicela ungikhombise ukuthi uvumelane nabo na trust what EP ukuthi uzobeka le mali kuyo aba khombisa ukuthi nayi trust yakhona ngaze ngayifonela le trust ise main lane bathi yeah siyazi ukuthi kunemali azoyithola azavule trust but namanje azange ayivule kusho ukuthi wenze konke ukuthi azayitholele imali manje wayisebenzisa manje even if mina ungiblokile
okay
ubloke noma ubani then simthola ngo-curator even ne-curator ngize ngayifonela yangitshela ukuthi sizohlangana ngezi-20 ngayibuza ngathi wena mawucabanga lo mama udlani uphila ngani phela lo mama mele ayenze isikoloto for abantwana bakhe lo mama mali abantwana bakhe basebancane baze bafosteka ukuthi bayothola imisebenzi ngaphandle
instead of ukuchubeka nesikolo
mara manje mali iphumile ukuthi umama aze ahlale phansi manje wanyuka yaphezulu phela ukugibela lama steps inkinga namhlanje ngeke ngalala lo muntu mara une 2 million iphethwe ngomunye baba lo baba uangena endlini manje umntwana wakhe aza amjampele amnikeze no matter what amfuna umnikeze yona ngema interest yalo mama at least akamwakhele at least aba enze something curator uhlele for the whole year angayenzi lutho angayi lapho ukuthi ayobona ukuthi bathi uhlala nomamakhe uhlala yi-1 lo muntu nabantwana bakhe nabazukulu bakhe but they made it ukuthi ibonakale ungathi lo mama akakho grand la
okay
ukuthi baze bathole this curator acclaim
yeah ngiya-understand manje when she says ukuthi they leave her down there they go discuss their things so basically when it gets to some point she's not mentally stable but when they want her signature she's able to sign.
Noma ungambuza ukuthi usayine termination akayazi termination and then they knew ukuthi kunabantwana even when they went there ukuthi bazoshoota bawafuna ubona abantwana bakhona ukuthi bavuke
okay
bathola ukuthi no ngathi lapha sizodla kamnandi by 3 laba bantu kule game and then they enjoy it as to they know ukuthi masifuna ukuthi sikhiphe lento le mele sithole umuntu and then umuntu ngeke simthole ngoba sinayo imali mafuna imali bamnikeza maybe 2000 rand mathi mina ngikolota abomakula ngoba mina ngithatha izinto kumakula and then you can see ukuthi le health yakhe ifuna izinto zabomakula
yo no thank you so much for sharing man and bringing us to this level of understanding concerning situation ngamama nomndeni because now this is not only affecting her now it's going to start spreading affecting abazukulu and everyone is having that stress in their mind. I think before I close, I don't know if there's anything that you would like to say or speak to, maybe send a message to the attorney or that law company.
Ngiyamcela actually. Ngiyamcela ukuthi akacabangi what if lo umamakhe yena ube ne-opportunity yokuthi umama wakhe amuyise esikolweni laba abanye abantwana zange babe ne-opportunity yokuthi baye esikolweni kusho ukuthi bayozala ezinye izinto zizophila zingena future just because of future yabo izavalekela ngesikhathi lo mama limala umama manje akana ukudla umama manje akana kwabanda ubheke ukuthi ugcokeni la angangena speeds lo mama avale speeds ayothenga lento le efunayo mara umuntu wena murakile uphethe imali yo mama siyakucela enza something which is right if ever uyidlile lo mali hlala nomndeni uyitshela ukuthi ngidlile ngiyoyipatela nini injani kanjani ngoba ngeke uhlale ne2 million ku account yakho le I mean ungathatha no le mali anytime wayiyekela ungene share mawuyidlile sicela ukuthi if ever possible sihlale nawo usitshela ukuthi okay fine ngoba this is the amount ngoba asiyazi ukuthi umela abhatalo malini masimbuza ukuthi yena abhatalo kubhatala curator so siyamcela akayenze into eright akanikeze umama imali yakhe wayiblua uzoya kuyayibluit
noma ndikhabile mayezingozi yami andizenzanga maye yonke abantu bebeyicalucalula
Eish.
ndinefemeli engabo ngoku ezawuphatha iwesi umzali wam
Eish.
sisafaro nomzali lo wam ngoba akazinesenti kweyakhe ingozi
Eish. Ngiyanizwa mama ngiyabonga ukuthi nibe ne courage namandla ukuthi nizokhuluma ni share udaba lwenu. Now just an appeal to ababukeli to say that you are sitting there, you are a lawyer, you are an attorney, you are a member of the state, you are part of the process that has to deal with what my family here is going through. You understand something about their situation. You know, you have a background in terms of where you can send them. Can you please just reach out to us? Where can they find you? What number are we using? Who can they contact? They will share that number. We will share it on the screen. And it's probably on now, but I'm saying reach out to us, guys. Help us, help each other. South Africa is not as bad as everyone thinks. It's only this number of people that have a perception of destroying what other people are trying to build. I mean, the government has put something aside to compensate Umama because she's in a situation where she can't literally be as mobile as she used to in the past. But now you find that someone who is standing in between, health yaga mama nempilo yakhe. So our request to you is that please help us. Please reach out to the family. Please get in contact. Drop a DM, send an email. Contact us. Advise us. We're not looking for your money. If you don't have it, if you do have it, please come through and help us and try and see how you can assist. We really appreciate the fact that you have been with us and you sympathize with most of our guests, but this is a case that also just deeply touches me, and I wouldn't want to see my parent going through this. I wouldn't want to see anyone going through this, regardless of who they are or what they've done. So, yeah, man, find it in your hearts to try and reach out and help us. I think in closing, I'd like to just thank you for your consistent support. I mean, I understand that a lot of us in this country are struggling because of the financial situation that we find ourselves in. But, to help someone is not to just give them money. To help someone is to aid them in their pain, is to give them comfort and encouragement. To aid someone doesn't mean that you must be physically present, but you might be psychologically there to help them cross the bridge emotionally. So we appreciate all that you guys have been doing. We really just feel that you have, really just made us a very big family that lives in unity. To the family, I thank you guys for your resourcefulness, because even in this situation, you're still saying Asna Luto, but we're going to fight this matter. We're going to expose this situation to other people, and I'll share different contacts of my fellow colleagues who have other podcasts so that you guys can continue, hammering the stone until it breaks, because that's what's required. Without wasting time, I'd just like to thank you for your time, for watching this episode. I'd like to thank the team for their immense, amazing work that they've been doing. I'd also like to thank my family for, trusting our platform and coming through to us to share what they have shared. Thank you so much from me and the team. We'll see you next time.